Hello, it's Michael from Beartooth. Today we're going to learn how to use your Beartooth Mark II radio with your iPhone. The first thing we're going to do is go to the App Store within iOS, and we're going to look for the Beartooth Mark II app. We are going to download the Beartooth Mark II app onto your iPhone. Once it's downloaded, we'll go ahead and open it up. We're going to allow permissions, and we're going to click on Use as App. Additional permissions are going to be requested. We're going to accept those, and now we're going to add the antenna, slide the power on by sliding the antenna switch open away from the antenna. You'll see the serial number for your Beartooth pop up. You'll select that. You'll enter your username or call sign, in this case Delta. And your Mark II will be set up on your iPhone. One of the things that you may want to do first in going out before adventure is download a map while you're still connected to the internet. You'll see that we've got a couple different types of maps you can choose. We're looking at satellite view now. We could also look at street view. We'll go back to satellite view and we'll go ahead and use our fingers to scroll around and find the area of operation that we'd like to operate. We'll go ahead and put that in the map view. Once we've got that lined up, we'll click the download button. You'll see that we can download it. In this case, we'll call it Topanga. We're going to download the Topanga area onto our iPhone, and that'll give us an offline map when we're not connected to the internet. So now we've got our area of operation downloaded onto our Mark II app. Other things that we can do include changing the network ID. Beartooth ships with 5150, but in this case, we're going to update it to 5151, and we're going to add an encryption key, in this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we're on a fully encrypted network that only you and your friends have access to. I'd like to show you a couple other settings that we can change. So we'll go ahead and turn off Wi-Fi just so that we can see that we're definitively operating on the Beartooth network and not on Wi-Fi or LTE. We'll see that we've got the Topanga map loaded, so we've got access to an offline map, and we'll go ahead and load those maps. One thing else you might like to do is change your usernames. You'll see how we've gone into settings and allow you to change your username. In this case, we've updated it to Alpha. Now that we've covered basic setup, let's get into how to message other users on your Beartooth Mark II network. Click on within the contacts on Beartooth Broadcast, it'll open up a chat window. You'll see that we're typing our message there. We hit send. You're going to see that it shows up on the companion device of your friend. You can see we have good comms check, and now we can reply back in the chat window and send a broadcast message that we get back as well. We can also send a location. You'll see how we've sent that by clicking on the pin button. And now we'd like to show you how to send a direct message. So instead of clicking on Beartooth Broadcast, click on Alpha or Bravo or Delta, and we can send a direct message to Alpha, Bravo, or Delta. In this case, we've sent a direct message to Delta, showing that functionality. In addition to text messages, we can send a picture message. So we're going to go ahead and take a picture. You're going to see that it's sending, in this case, from Delta. It's going to send over to Alpha. Picture messages take about 15 to 30 seconds to transfer across the network, and you're going to see that message transferring now as we see that. So now you see that Alpha has received the message from Delta, and it's a picture of Beartooth in the hand. The final thing we'd like to demonstrate is a simple but effective tool called Network Scan. Network Scan allows you to see the signal strength to your neighbors and the other members of the Beartooth network. Look over on the icons on the far right, 1, 2, 3, the third one down, the head with the spyglass. Click on that. You're going to see that it turns green when you click on it. That indicates that you're now running a network scan, and that's going to show the signal strength between you and the other Mark II users. Then go ahead and click it again to clear the scan. With that concludes this Beartooth tutorial. We look forward to talking to you again soon. Have a great day.